We need to transform because costs are rising while clients are demanding price cuts. That's a very simple way to answer that question. We need to transform because when agents are doing menial work, it's not really optimizing their skills, right? And they have the tendency to resign. And when attrition goes up, that only means we will spend a lot of money hiring people, training people, and that is a nightmare. In order for us to, let's say, double our revenue, we need to double our floor space. As simple as that. But if we transform, create agentic estate, then we only pay for the GPU and the virtual private cloud, and we charge the client as if we are doing that same per FTE pricing. Although definitely, in order to entice the customer to go with us, then we might give them some discounts because in the first place, our cost of operations within the agentic estate is significantly lower. Our margin will go up. While in some instances, our top line may be reduced. However, what's important is the bottom line. Our bottom line will continue to expand, and we don't need to hire, train, or worry about attrition. And that is why we need to transform.